careful, Hudson. What are you guys trying to do?
We're throwing up in the bed.
Ew, gross. I thought you guys were tooting it up in the bed before.
Let's wake up time.